Want a Hollywood white smile with perfectly white teeth? The secret is not expensive whitening treatments. It is the correct teeth brushing technique. Today you will see in 3D animation exactly how to brush your teeth to maintain their whiteness and health. This information is for educational purposes only. Always consult your dentist before changing your oral care routine. First, choose a toothbrush with soft bristles. Hard bristles damage tooth enamel and cause gum recession, which makes teeth look yellow. Electric or manual? Both work. The technique is what matters. For white teeth, use fluoride toothpaste daily. Fluoride strengthens enamel and prevents stains from penetrating the tooth surface. Whitening toothpaste? Maximum twice per week. Frequent use destroys enamel. Replace your toothbrush every 3 months. Old bristles cannot clean effectively and accumulate bacteria that cause discoloration. Now the most important part, proper brushing technique. Hold your brush at 45-degree angle to the gum line. This angle removes plaque where teeth meet gums, the area where staining begins. Use gentle, circular motions. Never scrub horizontally. This wears away enamel and exposes the yellow dentin underneath. Brush the outer surfaces, inner surfaces, and chewing surfaces of all teeth. For front teeth, use vertical strokes. Divide your mouth into 4 sections: upper right, upper left, lower right, lower left. Spend 30 seconds on each section. Total brushing time, minimum 2 minutes, twice daily. Morning and before bed, mandatory. Do not rinse your mouth immediately after brushing. Spit out excess toothpaste, but leave the fluoride film on your teeth for 30 minutes. This ensures maximum fluoride absorption for stronger and whiter enamel. Brushing alone is not enough for a Hollywood smile. Use dental floss daily. It removes plaque between teeth, where 40% of tooth surface hides. This prevents dark spots between teeth. Clean your tongue with a scraper or brush. Bacteria on the tongue cause bad breath and transfer to teeth, creating a yellowish biofilm. After coffee, tea, red wine, or colored foods, immediately rinse your mouth with water. This prevents staining compounds from binding to enamel. Wait 30 minutes before brushing after acidic foods. Acid temporarily softens enamel. A Hollywood smile requires consistent daily care, proper brushing technique, flossing, and smart nutrition. Visit your dentist every 6 months for professional cleaning. No home method replaces professional care. Subscribe to Dental Vision 3D Animation for more 3D lessons on dental health. Write in the comments, what is your main teeth whitening challenge?